This is what it's looking like. Black plastic bags, boxes, bins. All right. Into this vanity area. Still a mess. And bathroom. Well, I don't have anything in the bathroom in there. But I do have plastic bags at the window. Okay. And this closet, I just threw everything in here to get rid of the wardrobe boxes, but this all needs to be organized as well. At least I look halfway decent now. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Day one after the movers have left. We've been here for 3 days. I did a lot of cleaning and waiting for the movers. We did pick up a couple of things. I'll show you those. Did a small grocery haul and went to the Goodwill where I picked up those beautiful wood slide sculptures. So today is the day. Let's get shit together. I can barely get into the kitchen. Okay? So, job number one. Another empty box. Down here, these shelves are empty. This aluminum foil can go up in this cupboard with the other paper goods and some. Yeah. They're in a box somewhere. This may need a little more organization, and I didn't remove all of the packing materials, but this is where I'm gonna put all my tablescape wear. Another box here, and a couple little miscellaneous boxes that I have to go through. But yeah, we can see the kitchen floor, so that is an accomplishment. I said I'll have to go through everything once I get it unboxed and organized. But for right now, I'm just trying to get it out of the boxes. So let's move on. Alright, so here I have the undersink organizer from the old house, but I'm not sure if it's going to fit because this sink has the garbage disposal there. So let's see, I may use this in the guest bath if need be. That's how it's looking for now. Let's move on back to this cabinet because I found more dishes. I think that might be the last of the dish. Let's hope, because I'm running out of space. Okay. For now, I'll put the chargers down here just to get them out the way. I'll also put the alcohol and I'll put the pail back. So that's that. And my crock pot, and then the accessory for this, for this KitchenAid small blender. Okay, so that's that down there with it. All right, I may add some more there, but that's it for now. The pantry shelf, and then up above, that's where I put my Z Gallery pieces. So let's continue to work. So here it is, 2:05 in the afternoon. All of the dishware is gone and the kitchen is clear. Not cleaned, but it is clear. So I have one box here, and then here in the living room, I have a couple of boxes here. Still need to go through this one. I thought I would add this to the top of the kitchen cabinet. And then there's some chinoiserie in that box, and still have to go through this one. So I'm getting there. And all of that is the linen I use to wrap things. So I'm going to wash all of that as soon as the washer dryer gets here. But this is what it's looking like. And this little box train here, I've been sliding because in my office I'm going to use additional decor space. And I'll show you. Big D set this up for me a couple of minutes ago. One. Okay, this is the office. The desk and shelving and whatnot is not put together yet, but Big D set up these two cabinets in here for my overflow of decor. Okay, so this is what it's looking like, and then I'm hoping that I can, she's got some stuff over here we have to remove, and I can separate this, slide this one all the way down, and then also store my vacuums here. So that's the idea. I have some taller, you saw when I was placing in glassware, I didn't place it all because I have a lot of tall champagne glasses, and also this purple dinnerware that I have from the estate sale. And all of that is going to go in here in the credenza.